Hello, bonjour, it's Cécile. I have some exciting news about this YouTube channel. If you've been following me for a while, you know I love gouache and I have shared a ton of videos about gouache, about everything about gouache, layering, blending, avoiding muddy colors, and if you don't know what I'm talking about, you have a playlist linked under the video. But I also use a lot of mixed media. I have a special love for sketchbooks, and I have a ton of current sketchbooks open, and most of them are mixed media. I have special love for layering, creating texture, and most of all, having fun in my practice. I want to bring that to this space now, so I'm opening the doors a bit wider. Starting next week, you will see a gouache video every other Wednesday and a mixed media video the next Wednesday. And all is the same, it's having fun in your sketchbook. If you're here for gouache, no worries, it's staying. And if you want to open your possibilities, mixed media is coming into the mix. And to launch this new option in my sketchbook fun, I have gathered a 60 mixed media tips PDF that you can download. You have the link in description under the video, and welcome to my mixed media world. And thanks for being there. Let me know what you think. Are you leaving because not enough gouache, or are you excited about this coming change? I'm eager to know. I am excited about it.